Welcome to TechLabor channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Equalizer APO in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now, the first thing that we have to do is, of course, download the Equalizer APO software itself, and then we are going to have to download a graphic user interface to use the Equalizer APO. Now, I'm going to leave both of these links in the description of the video so you can just download them easily. Now, let's just download Equalizer APO first. So let's just click on download. And then we're going to download the Peace GUI, and both of them are downloaded. Now let's go ahead and install them. So first we are going to install the Equalizer APO. So just double click on it and then click on yes. Now from here, click on next, agree, next, then next again, and then click on install. Now in here, you're gonna have to select which of your devices you want to install the Equalizer APO on. So I'm just going to select my headset and then my laptop speaker and then also another one of my headsets and also these JBL Charge 4 speaker. And then all you need to do is just click on OK. And then Equalizer APO is going to do a little check and it says everything is fine. Now just click on OK. Click on OK from here. And the installation is complete for the Equalizer APO. Now we are going to install the Peace graphic user interface. So just double click on Peace setup, click on yes. Now from here, click on install and then click on yes. And the installation is complete. And then click on OK and then click on close. Now, as you can see here, we have the Peace user interface in here. So from here, all you need to do is just double click on it. Now in here, you can select the simple interface or the full interface. So I'm just going to select the full interface. And now we are ready to equalize the sound of our computer. So from here, all you have to do is just adjust the graphic user interface in here. You can also select some of the pre-made ones from here. And once you're happy with the result, just click on save and then give it a name. Then click on save and we are done. And that is how you can install an equalizer on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.